I love roll-on bottles. You can take them with you everywhere. They're so easy to use, and they're a nice, clean way to apply an essential oil blend because you don't have to dip your finger into the blend. They make great gifts. You can use them with absolute ease whenever you want. You can use roll-ons for so many medicinal purposes and also to create beautiful natural perfume. Let me show you. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromatherapy Institute, and I have two fabulous roll-on blends to teach you today. The first is a perfume. It's called I Am Always Unique Roll-On Perfume. It's got 4 essential oils in it. First is pinyon pine, which is a fabulous aroma of being in the fresh forest. But what's unique about pinyon is that it's got some citrus undertones that are beautiful. And the next oil is, and we use 5 drops of pinyon. The next oil is mandarin. We use 3 drops of mandarin, and it complements the pinyon pine so beautifully because of that citrus note. Then we use 1 drop of vetiver. That grounds the whole blend and adds a richness and a thick sweetness to the aroma. Lastly, 5 drops of jasmine. Probably a lot of you know jasmine. It's such a beautiful floral aroma and blends incredibly well with all the other oils we've talked about. Now here's a great touch. We're gonna blend this in vanilla infused jojoba. And that is gonna add the sweet richness of the vanilla, and we'll have a gorgeous perfume. The second blend we're making is called Belly Bliss. This is for any time you feel like you need some support in your belly. You've eaten too much, you feel unsettled, maybe you feel nauseous, just not feeling well in your stomach. The blend has 12 drops of Roman chamomile. Now, Roman chamomile is a classic for supporting your belly for any time you're feeling kind of off. 2 drops of ginger. Now, of course, everyone knows ginger as a great essential oil for settling your stomach. And then 2 drops of peppermint. Brilliant also, especially if you're feeling nauseous, feeling like something you ate just didn't feel quite right. Those 2 drops of peppermint are really gonna help. And then we'll put all that into 1 ounce, 30 mils of jojoba. I hope you enjoyed this video and the roll-on blends that we made. If you're interested in learning more about how to blend essential oils, I have a free class at Aromatherapy Institute that you can sign right up for. It's called Introduction to Essential Oils. I'll put the link in the description below. You can just click it and sign right up. All right, take care everybody. Bye for now.